Durable AI versus 10web AI. Which one has better AI website? Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be comparing Durable with 10web, and I'm going to be showing you the main differences, how much it costs on both of them, what's the best bang for your buck, all the features, and how easy it is to use. So let's get into it. First, we're going to start with Durable. Durable is a AI websiter where you can create a website with AI. It's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and get started. What type of business do you build? You can get started by clicking over here, typing in what type of business you have, and clicking on generate website. You can even start for free over here. So we're going to click on start for free over here, and I'm going to say wedding photographer. Click on next, and then what is the name of your business? I'm going to say Vox and click on generate website. It's as simple as that. It's going to go ahead and generate our website over here. So give it a couple of seconds. Now, while it generates, I'm going to go over and head over to 10web and do the exact same thing and see how it works. So here, provide your website name and describe in a few words, and then hit generate. Let's see what it gives us. So Durable is ready. We can go ahead and sign up now. The website I can see at the background looks kind of simple and pretty cool. So let's go ahead and sign up with Google and see what it does. Same thing with over here. It's generating over here in 10web. And here we go. So this is the website that Durable has come up with. It's a pretty simple website. The fonts aren't that great. The text is all over the place, but overall, it's a pretty decent website with good formatting and decent enough pictures and ideas. So it looks pretty nice, but definitely could use some work. Whereas with 10web, it's given us this structure. All right, we've got the header, the hero section, and then we have pages right here, which is gallery, about, Vox, the pricing and content, which is actually pretty nice. This actually looks pretty good. If you want to delete some, you can delete them. If you want to remove some, you can remove them as well. Add pages, add menus, everything. So this looks good. Now, if we click on next, this is how the website would look like. It's a pretty simple website. It's a decent enough color palette. We can change up the color palette over here. You can see right here, we've got the button style. This is the button style that's currently right now. This is the soft style as well. This is the minimal. I like the soft style. Let's go ahead and change the color up a little bit. And yeah, this purple and bluish gray one, this looks good. So we're going to click on generate and see how the website looks like. And the exact same thing, we're going to go ahead and continue with Google and sign up. And it's generating, so give it a couple of seconds. All right, it's done. Let's go ahead and preview. So this is how it looks like, and immediately it looks very different. We have different options over here. Overall, the website looks pretty decent. It looks complete. It has good colors, animation, blocks, and everything. So in terms of usability and looks wise, sure, this image is not the best image, but we can change it. You can see up over here, it looks pretty nice, looks pretty cool. Compared to this, we can see that, 10web did a much better job. Sure, it's not perfect, but it's still pretty better. It's not perfect, but it's much better than Durable. So that's a win. Overall, fonts look pretty nice. The images over here, this is like a little testimonial section, looks pretty nice. We've got pricing over here. If we click on pricing, it's going to take us to the pricing page like so. Gallery page is going to be over here where we have all of our moments. So yeah, it looks pretty nice, looks pretty good. Same with over here, view gallery. So yeah, I think this is a much better option. So 1 point for 10web, 0 for Durable. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. Also, the usability of it was actually pretty nice as well, not gonna lie. The editor looks pretty simple. Let's go ahead and actually take a look at that, and then we'll jump into the pricing. So the editor, very similar to WordPress actually. You can see right here, if I go back, I can select whichever section I want and I can edit them out like this one, but we do need the pro version for it. So if I want to edit a few of these elements, but with Durable, I can just go ahead and edit it out. I don't need the pro version for that. So I guess this is also technically a win, that even though 10web made a much better website, I can't edit it like that. We need the pro version. But Durable did not do that much of a good job, but it does give us the option to edit it. I would say it's like 50-50, but take it as it is. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the pricing. So this is Durable's pricing. You can see it starts at $12 per month. All right. It'll give you custom domain name, unlimited pages, unlimited traffic, unlimited contacts, 10 million stock images, automated SEO, one user, and priority email support. This is actually pretty cool. They also give you like a $15 worth of free domain, up to $15, which is nice. This is of course billed annually, so you save 20%. But if you go with monthly, prices changed. So going with monthly status, you can see starter is 15, and then we have business, which is going to be $25 per month, and it's going to be billed monthly. Unlimited everything over here, everything included in the starter plan, plus you get unlimited invoices, credit card payments, social post, Google Ads generator, 5 users, and live chat support, which is pretty nice. And then we have the mogul, which is going to be $95 per month, and everything over here from the previous plan, but also you get 5 websites and business ideas, 5 websites and businesses, one-on-one onboarding, and unlimited users. So pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and take a look at 10Web. So this is their monthly prices, this is their annual prices, and this is their monthly prices. This is for business, this is for e-commerce, and this is for agency. So all different options over here, different prices for different one. Since ours is a portfolio, I would say it falls under the business category, kinda. So going with that, you can see it's $20 per month over here compared to $15. It is expensive, but I think overall it is a much better website builder tool, right? It's like if we come over here, we can see 10 gigabytes of storage over here. Here I don't see any storage, but if I scroll down and go in deeper, I still don't see anything for the storage section. So I'm not sure how much storage we would get, but over here we have 10 gigabytes of SSD storage, which is pretty cool. We get free domain up to $30. So here it was $15. $30 was present in the second plan. Again, $30 over here, and in the premium one as well. 99% uptime guarantee, monthly visitors support up to 10K, free SSL certification, 90 plus page speed, search optimization, and Cloudflare as well, which is an add-on for $6 per month, and also 24/7 care support. So it does give you more options when it comes to website builder tools and all the other options as well, but it is a bit expensive, not gonna lie. So you can see right here, but I would say this, when it comes to the premium plan, it is cheaper. So you can see the unlimited plan, it's $45, $95. The second plan, which is the starter or the business, $25, $30. So it's just only $5 more, but the value you get is actually much more as well. Plus, not only that, like, the website builder overall looks pretty nice as well. It's a much better website builder and gives you much better websites as well. So it's a pretty cut and dry. In my opinion, I would say that, you know what, pay the extra $5 and go with 10Web, as it does give you much better options and also gives you a much better website ideas as well. And the editor is also pretty simple and easy to use, just like WordPress. And not only that, but overall the features are also pretty nice as well. Durable is also pretty good. If you don't have the budget, then of course go with it. It's not bad. You can even go with the free plan and edit the website over here if it's just as simple as that. But it all depends on you, I would say. Overall, in my opinion, 10Web is a little bit better. So it is what it is. So that's it. That was the review of these two websites. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.